Today guys, we are in Key West because we're gonna attend an event called Big Latch.
Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel!
Good morning you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today guys, we are in Key West because we're gonna attend an event called Big Latch. This is to support those breastfeeding mama that is breastfeeding their babies. So we're here to support it. Yay! But I don't know guys if I can get some video there because you know you need to have a consent. Okay guys, we're here. We're here, Daddy. Tell me what you think.
The food's good. Good snacks.
Hi guys, we just finished the event. We're just here looking around. This is like, what is this place, Daddy?
The Eco Discovery Center.
Yeah, we are at the Eco Discovery Center. And there's like, look at this. It's nice.
It's called a lionfish. It's just it's invasive species. It's not supposed to be here, and it's eating all the other animals and stuff. That's all.
Is it dangerous?
It's poisonous.
Oh.
See that right there, and it's on the top. It has spines. You touch him. See how it's opening up? Look, it opened up. That's his defense. And it has spines on the top and then in its butt.
What is it, Ozzy? Just looking at the TV. Okay guys, hello. We are at this place. It's called Aquarius Undersea Lab. Right here. It's there. Okay guys, this is a map of the keys. Okay guys, I'll bring you here. This is our Florida Keys Discovery Theater, which I don't know where's our son.
Where's your son? Hey!
Our son, oh no, he's gonna go inside there. Let's go see the Noah's Aquarius Undersea Lab, guys. Come in. Come on into my house. Oh, Daddy, look. That's like cute.
There's people diving outside.
No. God. So, my husband used to dream of working to this place. We're gonna go to the theater now.
We're diving.
We're having? Ozzy is having so much fun. This is so much fun.
Given their size, I've always been. It was always so nice to see one.
Okay guys, we are out now. That was so much fun. And there Daddy's in the phone. I don't know where do we go next. So we're just gonna take you guys with us again. It's Ozzy there, guys. It's super hot in the keys right now. Well, it's always hot in the keys. But it's all good. Look at that. Keep walking. Follow Daddy. Keep walking. Follow Daddy, Ozzy.
Haling, 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 haling. Yeah, yeah. Don't
Haling,
sleep.
haling.
Yeah, yeah. We're gonna eat. Don't close your eyes. We're gonna eat. Yeah, yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
He's super sleepy, guys. Super sleepy.
Haling, haling.
Aling, aling. Aling, 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 aling.
Ching, 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 ching. Ching, ching, ching.
Aling, 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 aling.
Yay!
Come on, Babanets.
Let's get ready, let's go!
Come on, let's go do it. I know that we can do it. It's working, Daddy. It's working.
Come on, 5 minutes!
Yay!
Woo! We made it, he didn't fall asleep.
We keep Ozzy awake, guys. We're gonna eat first and he's falling asleep. We're gonna go at Dines. Uh-oh. Super cute. Hello, guys. We are high. High with love. Guys, we are now heading to Miami. After we went to that event, we went to see the aquarium. And then after that, when we arrived home, Ozzy and Daddy, they went to sleep for about 2.5 hours or 3 hours. I'm not sure. They sleep so good. Ozzy woke up, just had so much energy that he was starting to jump. And my husband just woke up and he's like, how? And now we're gonna go to Miami. It's because we wanna burn out Ozzy. Maybe we're gonna go to Chuck and Cheese or
Just the food court at the mall.
okay, or wherever in the mall. And also we need a grocery. We need a vegetable. And I like to go in Miami for vegetable because it's super cheap. $30 you get bunch of vegetable. So we want to do that tomorrow, and then we're just gonna head back here tomorrow. I am going to end up my vlog here. It's because it's gonna be long. You're gonna be tired in watching it. So I hope to see you guys in my vlog tomorrow in Miami. Bye guys! Love you!
Love you.